Welcome back to Destination Dive. The Florida Keys is no doubt a paradise of vibrant coral reefs, crystal clear waters, and breathtaking marine life. But beneath the surface, there's another hidden treasure that's often overlooked: seagrass. These unassuming plants may seem simple, but they are the unsung heroes of the coastal ecosystems, and more important than you might realize.
It provides essential habitat and refuge for all sorts of different marine species. It helps recycle nutrients such as nitrogen. It stores carbon. The benefits are almost endless of seagrass meadows, especially throughout the Florida Keys.
It's estimated that 50% of this essential seagrass has been lost in the Florida Keys National Marine Sanctuary between 1999 and 2015, according to NOAA. This tremendous loss is primarily due to boaters.
So throughout the Florida Keys in general, the primary threat that seagrass meadows are facing are prop scars and vessel groundings from uneducated and unaware boaters that may be running in areas that are too shallow that they don't realize because the water's so clear, or they're just don't understand completely what's going on in the area. And then next thing you know, they're running through a seagrass bed, and then there's a 2 to 3 foot prop scar that there's no longer any seagrass and it's just bare bottom.
Once the seagrass has been destroyed from a boat propeller, it can take up to 2 decades for that grass to regrow. This puts tremendous stress on the organisms who rely on that seagrass for survival. And all the other benefits we get from seagrass begins to diminish, like maintaining the clean, clear water that the Keys is known for.
Without the clear and clean waters throughout the Keys, the tourism is basically absent.
In an effort to help restore the lost seagrass, NOAA and the Coastal Conservation Association, along with Sea and Shoreline, have developed a way to shorten the regrowth of seagrass from nearly 2 decades to only 1 year. It's with the help of tube socks.
The purpose behind it is to take these biodegradable, they're cotton tube socks, they're about 1 meter long, and they're filled with sediment from the local waters. And then they're placed in the scar. Sometimes it just takes 1, sometimes it could take 4 or 5, it just depends. And we bring it back up to the natural grade, and that's it. That fills in that cut, and then that allows the seagrass to start, as the roots grow horizontally, to grab onto that and to start filling in. And it fills in quickly within a year or 2.
Today, students from a local high school went out to help place the tube socks on the sea floor. It's an outdoor lesson in marine science, and one that will not only have a lasting impression on the students, but will make a lasting impression on the ecosystem in the Keys.
We just completed a sediment tube restoration project where we put sediment tubes in prop scars. We placed 4,000 of them to restore the bottom to natural elevation.
Beyond supporting marine life, seagrass meadows help protect the coastline. Their dense roots stabilize the seafloor, reducing coastal erosion and acting as a natural barrier against storms. It also acts as a carbon sink. By absorbing more carbon than it releases, the seagrass is effectively removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and storing it.
In terms of storing carbon, seagrass meadows are very significant. They can compare to the amount of carbon that is stored by the rainforest in the Amazon.
From providing nutrients for marine life to cleaning the pristine waters in the Florida Keys to protecting our coasts from natural disasters, the seagrass is worth protecting. Thanks for joining us for Destination Dive. We hope you'll come along for next week's journey as we venture deeper into the Keys, Isla Morada, where scientists are actually hanging underwater shades in our ocean to protect the most vulnerable corals. You won't want to miss it.